Hi, this is Lucien, DH7LM, and welcome to my YouTube channel Ham Radio Soul. For me personally, ham radio is all about personal growth and learning new things. So that's why I opened this channel, to share some of the things I've learned over the years, some tips and tricks that I found useful, and to give you some inspiration for projects and general help in all things ham radio. A little about me: I'm licensed since 2013, when I fulfilled myself an old childhood dream of becoming a ham radio operator, because I was really fascinated with the radios in my teenage years, particularly CB radio. I think many of you can relate, but somehow back then I thought, all this ham radio stuff, it's too complicated and it's not cool enough. So I didn't get my license back then, which I deeply regret. So I corrected that error, and now I think ham radio is the coolest thing in the world. Anyway, I also wrote a book not too long ago called Ham Radio Boost: Lessons Learned in Amateur Radio. And this also was an attempt to give something back to the ham radio community, to share a few thoughts about my ham radio journey and what I learned along the way. If you like, you can check it out on Amazon. There's also a link in the description. If you find my videos useful and you feel the overwhelming urge to support my work, you can do so, for example, by buying these t-shirts that I made. Yeah, I designed some nerdy ham radio t-shirts that you can buy. I put a link in the description as well. But most importantly, I wish you the best of luck with your ham radio journey, many fulfilled hours with this amazing hobby, and lots of new experiences, lots of new projects that you learn from, and lots of growth as a ham, whether you're a beginner or you're already an expert. Because I think that's really the beauty of this hobby, that everyone always learns, everyone always shares, and we're all in this together to figure things out. I think being a good ham can help you a lot in all areas of life. It's just a great hobby for personal growth as well. So anyway, thanks a lot for checking by, and be sure to subscribe if you like the channel, and click on the little bell icon so that you get notified once a new video comes up here on the channel, if you like, of course. Thanks a lot, and best of luck. 73s. See you.